going to apply 2 to 3 layers of the Wonderblading lip mask, and then we'll leave that on for 10 to 45 seconds for it to develop or settle in or something. And then I'll be using the activating mist on top of it, and that's going to help it to peel off, which will leave a stain that should last all day. We'll see how this works. So it's this cool metallic purple blue color. It has an interesting smell. Not bad, it's kind of fruity. It's like a little medicinal though, I'm not gonna lie. This color is super cool. I have applied a few layers at this point and it's lifting a little bit. I'm struggling. There we go. Oh. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. I guess we're gonna see. But that color is kind of incredible. Okay. Oh. It's not going off as neat as I hoped. Ooh, what's happening? Oh my god. Oh my god. Interesting, the color is like a real patchy. You gotta exfoliate your lips. This ain't it. Oh my god. My lips are dry. They didn't feel like they desperately needed to be exfoliated, so I didn't. This is what we got. Oh my god. Like, I would like to buff that off, but my lip is just dry. Nothing's gonna happen there. I don't know why this. Okay. I think this kit needs to come with an exfoliant because it's clearly critical to this working well. I don't have a lip exfoliant. I did not order one with this. Didn't think I needed it that badly. I clearly did because I can see how this works. Like, it changed the color of my lips, but it is stuck on all this like stubborn dead skin that doesn't want to come off, and it just looks bad. I feel like if I did it again, maybe it would look better. But yeah, keep that in mind. I think I like it in theory, but you gotta exfoliate your lips before you do this. You're gonna get this patchy nightmare. I really wanted that. I'm bothered. Damn. I'm upset. I need my beverages. I just used a physical exfoliant and a chemical exfoliant on my lips, which I probably should have done in the first place. But I still have this freaking line that won't budge. I don't know if I should just put more on my lips or just give up. But this is a bummer. That is a bummer. I I'm applying more because it looks so bad. I can't just leave it. I hope this makes it better. Yeah, I agree. Okay, lovely. Round number 2. Come through. Oops, they said that bleeding could occur like that, so. They also said you could spray the activator on this. Oh yeah, that works better. It's hard to get these little bits off. Really had to scrub at it earlier. Okay, that definitely helped. But yeah, exfoliate. Just really, really exfoliate before you use this stuff. I think is good, but just be aware. And that's with 2 layers and unexfoliated lips. The more you know. If you just look from far away, no one will know.